We are going to Tarrafal.
Yeah, looking forward to it. We just made a reservation around the beach. And looking forward to seeing what the place is like.
So serious.
We're on a journey.
So I'm almost by Tarrafal. And we got George over there taking pictures or whatnot, being the typical tourist. Hey, this is what I was talking about, Simpod. The cement company. These are all bags from Simpod.
You just dump it here?
I don't know. I don't know. Well, they're here. So got Tarrafal right there. Now, and that. Now, let me go to this. This reminds me of rocks in Utah. Utah rocks are red like this all over. But for those that don't know about geological stuff or some basic science, no offense, the reason why you have this part of the mountains are green is because on the other side of the island you have the winds that come up from the shore or the sea, the ocean, and it brings humidity, and it gets precipitated as the wind moves up in the air through these mountains. George, get out of the way, you're not that pretty. And on the other side of the island, all the wind that has all that humidity that comes from the ocean, it gets precipitated up to the mountains, and then it forms clouds here, temporary clouds. These clouds are clouds that are formed when the wind is coming up these valleys, and that's why you have these clouds, and it gives humidity around this area. That's why this area called Serra Malagueta remains green even if it doesn't rain. So now you got the scientific spiel reason why the Serra Malagueta region stays green. Hope that helps. So anyway, George, hello, how you doing?
Hi.
George, what do you think of this? What do you think of this so far? It's a better scene. It's nicer in this area than the other area. I don't like suggestive questioning. You like this section better than the other section?
Well,
before reaching this area?
The view from this mountaintop is truly spectacular. In comparison, I believe that this is a better view.
Right.
But it is a phenomenal sight to see from here.
So you got Ribeira de Prata, I believe is it's right there. That's Ribeira de Prata, which is a beautiful beach, and I think it's the most underrated beach in Santiago Island, to me, undoubtedly. In Tarrafal, to me, I think it's the most overrated beach. I'm not saying I don't like it, I'm just saying it's overrated compared to some other beaches here. But anyway, so you ready to go back?
Yeah, we're headed to Tarrafal Beach right now.
All right, so let's go. Let's
go.
do this.
On our way.
And I never took notice of these kind of rocks, because there are plenty of these in Utah. And if anybody goes to Utah, you should have the chance to go to Utah. You should. It's really beautiful, the scenery of the rocks, because you have like all these kind of shades from red and pink and whatnot. So anyway, we're going back into the car and going to Tarrafal. So, George, what do you think of this Airbnb?
I think it's for the location. I think it's amazing. It's a nice setup here. It really is.
We're about like 250, about 500 I would say about 500 feet from the beach.
At least 3-minute walk to the beach.
How much did we pay?
I believe it was in US dollars is about $45 a night.
It's not bad. We tried to get a 2-bedroom, but it was all booked, so kind of sucks. But nevertheless, it's not bad. And it's even got a washing machine for clothing. Go figure. All right, deuces. Yeah, so ciao. So had to do my drone shot. So what you think, George?
I was pretty impressed.
Not with my drone skills. No, I'm talking about Tarrafal. It was a little too cold. It's still too early, right?
Yeah.
We came late.
We came a little late.
No, we didn't come late. I got to be honest. That we went to a restaurant and it took over an hour for them to service, and by the time George was able to take a dip in the water, it was already getting cold. So,
but I wasn't disappointed. I definitely enjoyed going in for the swim at Tarrafal beach, the beach name. But hopefully tomorrow morning we'll be able to come back and enjoy the weather here.